What's up everybody, welcome back. Today's video we're going to do something cool. We're going to turn that garage tent that we had fun with all winter and fall too, that we hunted in and everything. We even hung out in it. It was great. It was great for the season, but it's time to go. We're going to turn it into a greenhouse, a DIY greenhouse. We don't have a plan, but we're going to figure out along the way, and you guys could join us. Stay tuned. Chair. Yeah, that should work. Okay. Just go, yeah, run it off one bar. Okay. Now, got it? Put these back together now. Luca was playing with twigs here, making little pegs or whatnot, whatever those are. He cut himself pretty bad, so I'm taking over here and I'm going to show you guys what to do. Normally I just put the 2x4 on the other end there, but Luca's like, make it flat. So I use this shitty wood, and we're going to do the same thing right here. Stay tuned. Let's line this. Alright, so as you can see here, I cut my finger carving these. And the whole point of doing this was I'm going to use them as anchors. So I'm going to drill holes in the 2x4s that Jesse just made. And once we put the tarp over, we're going to smash down these anchors, and it's going to hopefully hook on and tighten everything up. And then we could pull from the other side and maybe make it a little tighter. I don't know, but this wasn't worth it. Should have just used something else. Yeah. I couldn't find those other ones. So, I don't have any more staples. I'm not able to staple it down. I'm gonna try something else. It probably isn't gonna work. I should not be doing this with this stupid finger. You know, when you try to make things fast, cheap, and easy, it never ends up that way. Too late now. I think the cheaper you want to make it, the harder it is. Now these stupid anchors, I cut my finger on. Let's see, they work. The whole point of this was that lip to catch the shim, pin it down to the ground. That's not going to work anymore. Drive a nail into the piece of wood, right in the center. Bang it out. Yeah, piece right here broke, so I just put a piece of nail right in, pinned it sideways, and now the tarp's tight. Don't break, don't break. Nope, break. That's not going anywhere. Nice. Hey, puppy. Alright, part 10 of I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I found a system where I just wrap this tarp around the edge here and zip tie it. It's actually strong enough and it'll hold. Oh, I did it backwards. It'll hold the tarp against this pole, so when I pull it, it has some tension and still has room to stretch. And then when I do it to that side, I pin it down and it'll be nice and tight, hopefully. Yeah. Like as tight as you can. That's the next one. This has tension somewhere here. Huh? Not bad. Alright, so Sal came to help, and here's the first wrapping. It's not bad. It's not too loose. Let's see from the inside. Still got room. I could just fix this later by pulling it up even put something here. Not a big deal. But now we're gonna do the other side and see how it looks. It's already getting hot in here too. It's crazy. Thanks, Tango. Keep going. Push it. Yeah, right. Alright, so here it is. I mean, it's the ugliest thing I've ever seen, but it's already getting hot in here. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this digital thermometer. I'm going to put it down somewhere in here. And if it gets, because it doesn't get a lot of sun here, but if it gets to about at least 20 degrees in here, I mean, I don't know what the actual temperature is. That's good, but if it gets to at least 20 degrees Celsius in here, then I think we'll be good to plant some plants. And then maybe I'll even do a separate video on what I'm planting. We're going to be planting a lot of stuff this year, and I'd love to, come on, yeah, I'll fix that. But I'd love to plant basically everything in here and do almost like 90% with seed, you know, so we don't have to go to the store and buy anything, because a lot of people are buying a lot of clone plants now. So it's very, very competitive gardening right now. Everyone's doing it. This is it. It needs some patching, some holes, so rain don't come in. So you see a lot of holes. Probably gonna leave that open just because it'll allow for some ventilation. But I'm gonna patch all the holes where the zip ties are. And this isn't something you could just like do next year in the same way. This is just like a one-time thing. Next year I'll probably do a way better one. But this took only like 2 hours. Sal came to help me out, which was great. But it's not bad. It needs work. It's already very, very hot in here. I'm already sweating. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. I'll be planting, hopefully be planting some seeds in here. I'll show you how I do it. I got a lot of methods, a lot of different ways to recycle a lot of plastic, so that'd be cool. Anyway, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.